Welcome back, brothers. Oh my God, the screen is so dirty. Give me a second. All right, what's up, brothers? We're back at you with a Volvo video. We're gonna be putting a custom shift knob on this bad boy. It's not as simple as the Subarus or some other ones where they just twist off. We gotta do a little bit of work. So let's get to it. We'll show you how it's done. So first thing,
stock, nasty, ripped leather, 250,000 miles.
how do we remove this bad boy? Oh my, look at that dog.
That needs to go in there.
So how did you just do that? Oh, it's not out yet.
You kind of just wiggle it and it'll pop.
Oh wow, that was easy. So
I don't even know. It just, you push on and then you twist it a couple times and it locks on.
cool. So basically you do a 90-degree turn. Oh,
You pull up.
And then twist it another 90.
And then you kind of wiggle it.
Or kind of wiggle it around.
Yeah.
And then it comes right out. So it's got these special grooves in it, which are kind of hard to see inside there. But that pin that goes through is basically the catch. And we need to remove that pin and then thread the shaft, and then his new custom shifter ball will go right on it. So the same tap that you're gonna use to thread the shaft, you can use as a little press and put it inside the circle here, the pin, and then use the vice grips, or you can use channel locks, whatever, and just get it on the back side of that and push it out. And then, well, at least push it out some of the way. The rest of the way, hopefully will just come out. Oh yeah, look at that. Voila, out.
All right.
So just get the tap started by hand a little bit. Make sure it stays flat and level to the top, and then slowly thread the shaft. He is sanding said shaft for no apparent reason.
Just clean it.
Don't try this at home, kids. Not straight here. Oh. Round two, fight! Now that we've got it started, he's gonna go hand and, dude, getting after it. You gotta go backwards some. You gotta relieve those threads, brother. So when you're cutting threads, you always wanna go a couple turns and then go back so it cleans those threads, because the flutes in the die or tap will get jammed up with material. Clean up the threads. Oh yeah, look at those quality threads. Thread your little adapter collar in there down to the specified range.
This is just a test.
He's trialing,
Yeah,
making sure everything works and sits right. And then bingo, there it is. And then you just got to rip on it to get the orientation right, so that his 6-speed actually shows the right 6-speed.
Oh, I gotta go more. I gotta go one more turn now.
All right, you're good. It's gonna be nice and snug then. So the problem we are challenging here, most likely, is the stem is actually hitting the inside the ball and not allowing it to go any deeper. So he's gonna unthread a little bit. You gotta thread into the ball first. That's what I thought. Thread that boy. I'm gonna take a little Loctite.
Came with the kit.
Oh, it did come with the kit. Yeah, so now we can get perfect, and it'll never come off, ever. I don't even know. Dude, final. We'll find out here in a minute. If it lines up right. It's gonna do it or what?
Oh, that might be too much.
Oh, you're good right there. Oh yeah, you got it. Beautiful. How does it feel?
Oh, it's nice.
That looks sweet too. I like because of the whole.
Everything's matching.
Everything's silver now.
Need to
Oh,
get
and
the
it feels solid.
Oh, it's
Doesn't slap like mine does, but hey. So that's it for this video, brothers. Got the shifter ball on here. He really likes the way that it feels and how it shifts. The only problem he's having right now, or complaint should I say, it's cold. Wintertime. Stainless steel, it's frigid. So in the morning it's pretty damn cold, or I guess all the time. But if you're the kind of person that wears driving gloves, then you'll be okay with this. Doesn't really matter. But either way, let me know what you guys think. Like the video, subscribe, ask questions in the comments. We're all about answering if you guys need some help, and we will catch you on the next one.